Guys.
What are we trying to do?
Game on!
What are we trying to do here?
I don't know.
What are we supposed to do?
Run away from the SCP. Where are you going? We need that.
No.
Here, move. I'll make it where we can all get up there.
Oh, we have to. Oh, I see. Nothing will.
We did it. We made it up here. We're so good.
Don't fall down.
No, no. Help me.
I go get more furniture, boy. Go get more furniture. I think we have to get over there.
No, we just have to avoid it.
Look up there. The big tower. I think that's how we escape. So there's a guy over there.
Go, grab the furniture, bruh. Bro, we need to get the furniture. Here. Go get your furniture.
Run! Run!
Hey, if he... Look. Hey. Just place your table down and get on top of it.
Ignore me.
We need to climb the tower. We need to climb the tower.
That tower?
Yes.
There's someone over there.
There's what?
There. There's someone over there. I see them. Let's go.
Let's go.
Can't see
I
him.
got
Hey,
a
if he's
fridge
about to
and a
get you,
ping
just
pong
place one
table.
of your furnitures and get on it. I got a mini fridge.
There's someone over there by the tower.
There is?
I see him.
Yes.
I don't.
He's climbing up.
What's this? Oh, it's just.
No, there's nobody climbing up. Why are you lying, stink butt?
Really? Cause look at that.
Ah! SCP!
Move! Move!
Guys!
Hi.
Guys!
Hi. Let me grab mine. You position it if you can. Or actually, wait, I'll get the ping pong table. Oh, well, I guess we don't actually need that. Never mind.
Oh, yeah, get up there and I'll just
Do
grab the
not
fridge.
fall. Do not fall. Don't fall.
No, wait. I'm gonna die.
Guys, we gotta make a base. This ain't no base.
Tony, I was getting up there.
There's nothing up there.
What are we
Oh, really?
Our objective?
Just have a base.
tonight.
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
They're fine during the day.
Oh, they are?
Time you gotta worry about that. Yeah, you guys never read the SCP. Yeah, make a base though.
I cannot
Here,
say anything.
let me have that table.
Uh-oh.
Shit.
Oopsie. Oh. No.
Guys, I can't
Guys, I see
see.
a guy's username over there. Look.
Who is that?
It's your
Probably
mom.
toxic.
The store is now closed.
Yeah.
Please exit now.
I don't wanna.
Oh,
Oh, right there.
I don't wanna.
Oh, wow.
Help me!
I fell. I'm dead now.
Ah.
Baller.
Guys,
Baldy?
jump on my table.
Are you supposed to
What
like
about
move?
meat?
Oh, you're on your own, kid. You're gonna die.
Come on, get up here, stink butt.
Like so, Megger, you're gonna die. Have a nice life. Bye.
No!
Go and grab this table I'm on.
Guys, he's right underneath you.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. The store has closed. Please leave as soon as possible. The store is now closed. Please exit as soon as possible. The store is now closed. Please exit it now.
Yeah, look, he's got a lump.
That's Minecraft.
You.
Trying to make a base over here.
I somehow got separated, and I've just been standing over there on my own, not being able to see
I didn't even know what I
anything.
was doing. I just spawned in, I was changing my outfit, and then it went completely dark. Then I found Tony.
Where is
Oh my God,
everyone?
somebody's got something. What the fuck has he got?
A bunch of concrete pillars. Thank you, Minecraft.
I can interior great.
Hey, not here. Why don't we do it in the big area? We'll just put lamps and stuff there. That area. And then just put
Yeah,
lamps
we
in
can
it
just
so we have
block
light.
off. What if we block?
But we have a
this
bigger
off?
area.
No, because they spawn in.
Yeah, but we can make like a
Oh,
fence,
yeah, we
like an out garden fence.
True.
Some people that... We need the ping pong table though.
This is essential.
Yeah, we need to have some fun up in this.
The fucking military thing.
Heads.
Yeah, let's go. Two beds. Come on, let's go to beds. We're having a slumber party.
Yay!
It's a slumber party.
Found a radio.
Boys, who's ready for a slumber party?
Okay. You have to use the table to get in. You have to jump over the table.
I found a radio.
Slumber
plays music.
party.
Let's actually make sure these are like slightly level.
Can
Slumber party.
you put one of
Hey,
these
give me the
radios
window.
on the
Go ahead, the
ground?
window. Give me the window.
I can't because I'm on the screen.
What? I got another slab.
Okay.
Oh, look at the outside world.
We're going to hop off
Look
here.
how beautiful we've made this place already.
Tony! Tony! Who's
No,
playing?
sorry.
Wait.
Oh.
This radio is playing songs.
Oh, he's
man.
bold. He's trying to get us killed.
Jaden, just put it right there.
Nice one. So as somebody's sleeping, you can just reach through and grab him.
Put it back.
I'm trying to.
You want it lower? I'll put it lower. Minecraft will do it for you.
Minecraft, put it lower.
Oops, I actually.
He's on
Put
screen.
lower. How do I?
There. Stop. Move. Stink butt.
Oh,
move.
no, that table's
Think about
good.
move.
That table's actually good. Just don't impale somebody when they're on the bed.
This is how you go upstairs.
Has somebody made a staircase? Oh.
Hold up. I'm making it where you can
You
go
can
to
get
the
a-
second floor.
I find like
Yeah, you
this
can
is
get a
very.
better angle on that. I
This is
think.
kind of racistly
in here.
motivated, considering that it's only this game is only
Yeah.
good for VR players.
Is it? I can't tell you, I don't. Watch it go night and that guy just absolutely swarm anyone.
There's a chair right there. Can I? Oh, okay. I get the TV.
And
there's
two
big
TVs. So I found a high chair. Who wants to be? Oh, no one's here.
Yeah, I was above.
Here. Oh crap. Crap.
Oh.
The walls.
Yeah, you fix that shit. I wish you could have like a freeze tool. That would make it easier. Hey guys, look what I found.
That on the ground.
Wait, yeah, just place that. Place it widthways like that. Yeah, place it like that.
Wait, put it on the
Only
chair and
thing
we
is-
have a torture chair.
Look what I found. Yeah, I know what you're gonna do there. We need to block
Move.
around the back though. I need to put this.
No, my
mic-
chair. That was my high chair.
Oh yay! Hey.
Stop.
This is our torture chair.
Stop moving. No. No. Get the light out of the chair.
Hey, I found more stuff that way. This way. Follow me. Follow me. Never mind. Get back to base. Get base. Get base. Get base.
Yeah, in my chair. boy.
Hurry up, Tony. Hurry up.
Inside,
Hey,
inside.
where's my little light at? Hey, give me my light. Give me my light. That's my light.
Door has
No, it's
opened.
decorated.
Please make your way to the exit.
He's inside. He's inside.
I'm on top. I'm cheesing it. I'm cheesing it.
Excuse me. The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
I don't care.
How did they get
The
it?
store is now closed.
Tony, give us the bag.
my
We're
chair
going
back.
upstairs.
It's my chair.
Tony, upstairs. Upstairs.
Bring the beds.
I brought a chair.
I got the torture weapon.
Everybody,
Got it.
we're
What if he
gonna
pulls
move
the
everything
wall away?
upstairs. Everything upstairs.
Everything. Hey, I got the torture weapon.
Put it on the chair, baby.
You put it under the chair.
I got our TV.
Oh my bad. Let me just. Ikea.
I got my radio. I got my special chair.
Who's pick up the beds?
The store is now closed. Please
I will
leave the
stab
building.
you. No. No,
Oh
not
my
with
God,
those
imagine
hands.
you did
Guys,
that.
look at those hands, bro.
Who's made this staircase out of the beds? One in food.
Guys,
No.
guys.
Yeah.
Can't.
Yeah.
Over there, why didn't we just make it on top of that thing? We
Because
would
it's
have a
too
bigger
much work
area
to
for all
get
of
there.
us.
It's too much work to get there.
It's not too much work. It's like 2 things. You jump up on it, and then you're there. Head over here. Tony, bring it over here.
Here's another torture weapon.
See what I'm trying to go for? It'll give you a bigger area over there.
Oh, right there. I thought you were talking about the big thing.
Boys, what the fuck did I die to?
Who died?
Oh shit! Fuck! Help! Help! Help!
Who needs help?
Help!
Toxic over
Shit,
here.
right there, bro.
Go back to the
Toxic
bed
over here. Go towards the light.
Oh, I found it. Something's chasing me. Staircase. There's one underneath the staircase. Two of them.
We
We've
trapped one.
them.
We trapped them.
We trapped them. Yo, guys, we've trapped them. They got stuck on the staircase. They're underneath it. Tony, look. They're stuck underneath the staircase. Hide. Shit's cursed.
Don't let me in.
I tried pressing the red button. It just fucking killed me.
Oh, nice.
Here we go. Scout mission. We're like PMCs in Escape from Tarkov.
Stealth man, go, 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 go. Get the stuff.
But
Get the
nobody
stuff,
probably
go.
plays Tarkov, so I'm probably just speaking to myself. Now which way did it go?
Fridge. A fraud. Can't see anything with this fridge.
Yeah.
Look. Guys, let's go. Hey, Toxic, is that you? No, that's Minecraft.
I can't see.
Just follow the
You're going
voices.
the right way.
Yeah, just follow.
Follow
You're
the
doing
voices.
good. You're doing good.
Not the one in your head,
Follow,
not the one in your head.
I was
Keep
about to say, I was about to
swimming,
do something that I'm not
swimming,
supposed
keep
to.
Swimming, keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 just keep swimming and swimming, just
Oh, here it is.
swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, 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 just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna stack it right here and let you guys build it. Just keep swimming.
Yo, I love the floating monitors.
I know, right?
Okay, we gotta make a wall.
That's what I mean, I'll sort this out.
This is my chair. Where
Dude,
I want to
Escape
watch
from
my
Tarkov
footage.
is so good.
Me personally?
Toxic, you play Escape from Tarkov?
See.
Not really, no.
It's good.
I played a game very similar to it, though. Fucking hell, why has he jumped with it?
Oops.
Swapsies!
Sorry, I'm very specific on like how I build in this game.
You only
I
like
don't really
back
like
things.
being.
Found a staple for our monitors.
Perfect.
Yeah, there we go. For our gaming
Help!
session.
Help! Ah!
Don't worry, Minecraft, I got you.
This is my premium.
what a,
Oh
what a
shit, yeah,
wide
it's done it to
monitor.
me, bro. It's done it to me.
This is my premium gaming computer. With my.
And we got the stereo system underneath it.
No way.
Oh shit.
on here on vacation. Game boy.
We doing an Ikea stream.
Ikea boy 69.
Bro, we only have one bed.
And
No,
there's 3 of
most
us.
of our
I guess we're
beds
gonna
are
have to
used
do
for our
footsies.
staircase.
Yeah, we should really replace that. Wait, where's Stinkerbutt?
I think he went to go look for stuff.
Hi, Tony.
Oh, I thought you had 2. Hey, don't get rid of the platform. Dude, where's the Chakta? Oh, there's the window.
I thought you were about to use it as a screen protector.
Now when you game, you can look out into the darkness and be like, ooh, damn, glad I'm in here.
Stinkerbutt sent me a message and it's just a picture of him in darkness. Oh, no, he's on the tower. He's on the tower.
It's just a picture of darkness.
Tell him to get his ass over here.
Yeah, I'll send him a picture of that.
Of our gaming setup.
Yo, boys, get in the gaming setup. Oh, I mean, we gotta get in there. We gotta get in the gaming setup. I gotta get the lighting.
This
right.
table is too, or this chair is too close.
Go on, bro, look at the camera. We gotta unjuggle this bitch. What the fuck you doing with the monitor?
The monitor was like off. So I gotta position
Stereo
this.
was fire.
Exactly, bro.
Someone
like-
else do the monitor. It won't work for me.
Yeah.
Hey,
bro.
Tony. If I come over here, can I have like my own room? Cause then I'll be happy.
No, you must be with the boys. You must cuddle with the boys.
No, you sleep. We sleep together.
Alright, there you go.
In the fucking monitors.
You keep bringing them close. Or I guess.
Bro, why the,
Oh,
why the
okay.
radio like that, bro? It looks so much cooler, like fucking... the Overseer outfit.
He might be at one of those.
Because he's a fake drinker.
Really?
Guys, I got a desk.
Finally, you're back, Chakta.
I got a desk.
Come here.
3 monitors broken, old Oh shit, I like what he's doing with the play.
on its side?
Oh,
Yeah,
you like it?
No, it
I
isn't.
can't see. Someone help me.
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Yes, it's on its side. Look like this.
Y'all are stupid.
This place
I know-
is... I don't fucking have an old TV, bro. I've got a touchscreen
Guys,
TV.
we
I'm
should
joking. I'm not-
use this as
I'm
the
just
roof.
telling you, that's not how
He
it
just
goes.
has the
though.
roof.
That's not how it.
But like
We
when
don't
I'm
need to
sleeping,
have
I want
access
to
to
be
the roof.
on its side.
I mean, you have this on the roof.
Oh, yeah, when you're sleeping, bro.
It's our TV. True.
Yeah, so if I'm like this, bro, if I'm like snoozing like this, bro, I'm looking this way.
Yo guys, I just got a package. What do you think it is?
C-rolls.
Jonathan.
Oh
I
my
thought
goodness.
that was Jonathan.
It's
that
my
says
Dr.
Jaden.
Squatch Batman deodorant. Or not
Wait,
deodorant.
Lathan.
Soap.
This shit's good, bro.
Who
Don't,
is this
don't
guy?
make fun of the Dr. Squatch grind.
Mate, I have no idea who this guy is, but apparently I
I'll
have
put
him
this on my
added.
bed for later use.
Okay. Time to go
See what else I
exploring.
got?
Time to go exploring.
Don't know.
Ooh, it's my dice.
Alright, let's go. Let's go make this into a fucking mansion.
Desk TV.
Minecraft, another monitor?
You know it, bruh. Oh, I found another one.
Move. Go.
No.
No.
No. Okay.
Stick 'em up. What I found.
Tony, I found more.
Stick them up.
Fair enough.
What is this?
Got more beds.
What is this?
What the fuck?
It's
How
a
you
bunk
think
bed.
I'm meant to get in here, bro?
Ugly.
Think was a
Shit,
fat
bunk
bitch,
bed,
bro.
yeah,
How you
bro.
think he's gonna get in there?
Exactly. I can't. No one can fit under here.
He's fat as fuck, bro. That's a
Guys,
compliment.
look at the third
but-
monitor.
And then the fucking... Bro, I'm gonna attach this to the side of it. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
my God.
Bro, look at the interior design, bro. That's crazy.
Man, it's crazy.
Bro, hold on. We gotta grab like a...
You need a keyboard and a mouse.
Bro, look
The
at this
desk
shit.
of operations,
Yo.
bro.
We need another chair.
Oh, I need to get this level somehow.
Dude, that is not looking good, bro.
Leave me alone. This is my sleepy spot.
Not your
No,
sleepy
this ain't
spot.
your sleepy spot.
What?
Bro, why you done it like that, though? It's got floating down.
Not following game
Bro,
rules.
another desk.
We could use this.
Imagine.
Bro just took out the wall, bro. Nah.
Out of the walk, the toilet.
Yeah, I moved it over there because, whatever his name was still playing with it, so I just quit.
There you go, get the room back. I will block this off with a bed.
Hey,
There we
Dumbo.
go. It definitely won't fall. There you go. Now we got the room back with actual bunk beds, so you can get on the top.
But you can't get on the bottom. It's still too... Oh, wait.
You can if
Yeah,
you're
there
a
you go.
VR user. We have enough beds now. Just make the ramp easier.
No, or just,
No, we're not
just
fucking
add-
stacking it here. Make an easier ramp to get out.
Ah!
I readjusted it.
Y'all
and
like
you
my
fell
PC
through it.
setup? No, one was back in the ground and the other was pushed off to the side.
Amazing.
Bro, who's put a... You don't put the lamp on top of the monitor because then it doesn't work.
Where'd Tony go? He's still here. He just...
At least the ramp actually works now.
Tony's here. I just...
Wait,
yeah,
nobody
let's see.
stand on the
Oh, there
the
he is.
table, tennis table. Let me make it flatter.
That's what she said.
Why did you put the glass underneath it, bro? The radio is like perfectly positioned for surround sound.
Guys, I
Vlogging
brought
everything.
walls.
Oh, you're back. We thought you left forever.
Do we need more walls?
Yeah, look,
Oh,
right
no, I
here.
was thinking about leaving forever.
Right here, we need more walls right here.
Bro, what the fuck is SCP? Oh shit, let me climb up! Let me go up! Help me!
Who is that?
Come here.
All you want.
Well, there's someone there in the light.
Bruh. This is the one time enforcers won't shout. Playing fucking
This one needs to be fixed.
Ikea.
God damn, there's a whole ass PC here.
It's the wrong way around though.
Oh, we got a floor PC.
Floor PC, bro. Crazy.
It goes
I'm playing on my
crazy.
PC.
And your PC, that our
I'm gonna go
PC!
get a PC, I'll be back.
It's our-
Yeah, that's everyone's PC. But big.
Also, this bunk bed looks trash.
Yeah, but it works.
Yeah, I one bed for all. I agree.
Yep. Ah!
The one bed for all.
Help!
I got stuck under the bed.
Hey, can I go in the closet? No.
Yo, guys, let's see how many we can fit on one bed.
Everyone get on the bed! Everyone come on the bed, stop what you're doing, this is
Everyone
important.
On the bed.
Everyone get on bed.
Bed.
I'll take the top left corner.
I'll take the right corner. Gets the
I'll take
pillows.
the bottom left corner.
Yeah, we get the pillows.
I'll take the middle. I'll take the middle. Top middle.
Yo, stink butt.
Damn,
Yeah, who
these
we missing,
workers be tweaking.
But you three
Don't
get-
even ask
man,
where a
get in here.
PC is, bro. They have to fight me, bro. What the fuck? They be tweaking.
Everyone get on the bed.
Man,
Let's
they
see how many we can
tripping.
fit.
Everyone on the bed. Senior
Everyone get on the
agents,
bed.
Senior agents.
Everyone in one bed.
Why are
We
you
got-
seated mode? Get out of seated mode.
I am sleeping out here, if you see me.
Just jump
Good
out.
tonight.
Jump.
Oh,
I
the wall.
sleep in the dark
You know, the wall.
depths of the dark.
Jump, bozo, jump.
I do not want to.
Someone fix the
Okay,
bed.
I got
messed
my
it up.
bedroom. I sleep
feel
right
like I'm
here.
in the TV.
I'm sleeping here.
I might have to join
Desk
you.
monkey.
I might have to join you right here.
Yeah, bro, I'm sleeping.
Can you go
Tony,
through
didn't I
this?
make the
Oh,
best
you
spot?
can, bro.
I made the best sleeping spot. Oh,
What?
Bro,
under
no,
the
I'm
fucking
sleeping over
desk?
here, bro.
Oh, my bad.
bro,
my bad.
at least we have a bed.
If
We got
I
like-
move
we got like
this
8
slightly
beds.
up,
I
It's
sleep
actually
in depths
level.
of the dark.
No, our third monitor.
yeah, Tony, put that back.
Active in the night. Come here.
Who is
We're
that?
looking for
Fuck,
Who
you
is
think you
endless?
moved again, so I need the name in it.
I'm
Endless
his friend,
Susan.
and I'm his friend. Come on! Come on! Yeah. We're going to the deep steps. That's why I have a light.
How about them make their own base? I like base, this base.
I like how he's
Wish
just
there were
messed up
guns.
like half the walls.
I like my room.
Bro,
my room
Toxic,
is
we gotta
nice.
sleep- We gotta sleep well tonight.
I might go GFM in a bit though. Oh, sleep.
We're gonna go GFM in
Minecraft,
like
come here. Come
20
to our
minutes.
bedroom. Come on, Minecraft.
Yeah, you guys wanna go to GFM right now?
Going in like 20 minutes.
want
Yeah,
to?
maybe. I'll give it like 10 minutes.
The game in 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going
That's
to
right.
I'm gonna go GFM.
Wait, Tony, before you do,
Hmm.
everyone get in the bed and we'll take a picture. Everyone
Yeah,
get in
we
the bed and we'll
can
take
take a
pictures.
Scooch in, scooch
four.
in, boys. Oh. Okay.
Reverse.
So I move this one window. Can I move this window? So
No,
I
the
can
window
get
makes it sexy.
Here.
Here,
Alright.
just angle it.
Spazzing
Yeah,
out.
right here.
Oops. Wait, I need to...
Tony, stop spazzing.
Moves.
I'm gonna put the window. Just because
Okay.
it's breaking Tony. Tony's literally
I think the
broken.
bed is breaking
Yeah.
Tony.
Oh, and he's picked up the desk now.
Bruh.
He's bottled
Oh.
ice. No,
I didn't mean to.
Alright, everyone say cheese! Cheese!
Cheese.
Wait. Cheese!
Oh, what in the fucking tape?
Wait, I can't get...
Fuck's sake!
Wait. Cheese!
Camera killer.
Uh,